licenses. Number two, very important also would be the track record. I think that would be kasi even a new company naman can be credible pero I think the track record might be an X factor. Parang gaano katagal na ba to in the market? Um, is this a trusted brand from way back? Ano ba siya dati? And that will lead you probably to a better grasp of syempre hindi mawawala ng bigla yung company na yon. And then I think part of track record would be also like let's say the office, may physical office ba yan? May matatakbuhan ba ako kung may problema? So I think that plays into it. And then lastly and probably most importantly is who is behind that group or who is behind that company because syempre in every organization there is a face to it kumbaga. So in a way, what is the integrity, what are the values, and who is that person behind that organization? Can that person be trusted? So that as much as possible, with these factors in mind, you get to gauge already um, yun nga, the credibility and the reliability of this